We're here in upstate New York in Kingston to celebrate Christmas. So by the time you see this, it might be a little behind. The nature is just so nice.
Good morning, everyone. We are now embarking on a new adventure. Today, we are going to be doing the Empire State Trail. Probably around just 100 meters of it, and we will be heading back.
We just woke up from a nap and now we're gonna just retouch our makeup before we head to our last day here. And then hopefully go to a bonfire. When we want to go right before sunset, all the bonfires were occupied. So let's hope that something's open. Finished having dinner. We're now on the way back to our cabin. I'm gonna feed the dog and then do some s'mores time. Oh, it's so cold. just got back into the room after doing some bonfire, and tonight I'm going to be walking you through my nightly skincare routine using this vegan cleansing balm that's coming soon. So step 1, put your hair back so all the annoying shenanigans are out of your face. And then I usually just like to use the back of my nail. Melt until they're kind of gooey. Massage through till everything melts off. I know removing makeup is a task, but when you're really like putting thought into like melting every inch off, it almost feels like a facial. And that's what I love about cleansing balms over like makeup wipes. In order for you to have like glass skin, it doesn't matter what product you use, cleansing is the first action or change, whatever you need to take. It's so cold. Okay, so while we wait for this to kind of like settle and dry into our skin, we're gonna be doing this other part of self-care, which is the sock mask. Okay, let's try this. I feel this way, right? Oh my god, it's so cold. Ooh.